Hey guys, it's going down lapha kwiNimba. So Lazarus now knows the truth that Zoleka once slept with Mawethu. And Zoleka is very guilty about this, I can say. Because she knows that Lazarus has found out and there's no way of hiding. We understand. So obviously Lazarus wants everything, wants the truth, and wants Zoleka to let it all out to him. Ukuthi kwenzakaleni, what happened that night, you understand? And Zoleka is asking herself, how does Lazarus know? So we had to see how Lazarus is gonna expose how he knows that Mawethu and Zoleka slept together. So in the office ke bafethu, uMawethu ke noQhawe meet up, you understand? But it seems as if uQhawe has her own sickness, the sickness yakhe, of which I think is a heart sickness if I'm not mistaken, because every time she's actually fatigued, it actually affects her, or whenever she's with Mawethu or Onga, this thing actually comes up. I'm not even sure what it is because it's not yet exposed. So Mawethu was just there to take care of Ukawe, you understand that, but no one is actually giving Mawethu attention, you understand. On the other side, Futhi Mawethu tried to help Kawe by going to the doctor. Kawe, she's stubborn. Also, Mawethu approached to Zoleka, and Zoleka was not having it, you understand that she did not want to speak, yabona. So everyone is just neglecting uMawethu laphana eKhusela. Mawethu is having bad days lapha eKhusela, which is actually sad because no one is actually giving him attention. And on the other side, Lazarus is still angry. He's still pumped up after hearing that Zoleka slept with Mawethu. And Lazarus asked Zoleka if she regrets it. Zoleka responded to Lazarus saying ukuthi she regrets nothing. It was just sex. It was just way before she was CEO of the company. And Zoleka uyasho nayo ukuthi she also has history. You understand? So she doesn't get it why Lazarus is actually mad. Lazarus please amaklasi ke laphana with his anger. He was very angry, and when hearing Zoleka saying she does not regret it because it was just sex, you understand? Zoleka is sleeping alone lapha embedeni, and then she wonders ukuthi hayibo, when she's calling Lazarus's phone, Lazarus is just on the other side of the room, in Bavumile's room. I think Lazarus actually waited or wanted Bafumile to sleep, or put Bafumile to sleep, and then actually stayed there simply because maybe he was actually avoiding Zoleka. So nangu Lazarus laphana endlini kaBavumile. So mathi yafona kuZoleka, Zoleka goes to that room, you understand, and tells Lazarus ukuthi how he could have slept laphana endlini yabo where they usually sleep, or at least should have slept laphana a guest room. We understand. So Zoleka is apologizing for what had happened and wants to start over again. Yabona naye Lazarus uxolisile for breaking the glass because Zoleka claimed ukuthi it scared her. You understand. So Lazarus is saying ukuthi if Zoleka wants to start over again, Lazarus has to know the whole truth. You understand. How many times did they sleep and where did it happen? You understand. Mawethu is actually confused regarding what's happening yabona laphana eKhusela, because Mawethu knows his potential. He's very confident ukuthi yena ngabamba ikhundla, he can actually get any position that he wants to get because he's brilliant when it comes to his job. But now speaking to his brother, he's venting, saying that he doesn't know what's happening, and it's not even something regarding business or Khusela, but it's something personal. They understand that he hasn't seen Lazarus like that in his whole days. He has spent laphana eKhusela working with Lazarus, and so he suspects ukuthi he did something wrong of which he doesn't know. He wants to know it, because he knows ukuthi no, it's not requiring business. On the other side, the argument continues, Buffett. There's a lot of tension, lot of arguments, lot of fights, lot of negativity. So Lazarus ukuthi she also has history, just like Lazarus has, because when Lazarus actually kissed Lillian, Zoleka did not say anything. Even though Lillian came back for Lazarus, Zoleka did not say anything regarding also Lazarus's ex-wives and him having to lie that he's the father of Bavumile, you understand, that because he can't bear children, he's infertile. So Zoleka is actually telling Lazarus ukuthi no, she is not gonna tell Lazarus how many times did they sleep. It's pointless because it's history. It's very pointless, you understand. So Mawethu guys meets up with his brother Kuluma, and I can say his bro is actually begging Mawethu not to go to Lazarus because Mawethu wants to go and confront Lazarus and speak to him regarding the situation that has been happening in the office. So basically Mawethu wants to apologize to Lazarus regarding whatever he did because he doesn't know that he doesn't know ukuthi yena ulale no Zoleka, you understand? Mawethu actually doesn't know the situation ukuthi he knows, Lazarus knows that he slept with uZoleka. So Mawethu went to Lazarus yabona wayoxolisa laphana, and Lazarus told him ukuthi no, it's just fair play laphana ofisini. He also wants to give Lanhle and Qhawe a chance rather than him having to give Mawethu a chance only. But Lazarus knows deep down ukuthi no, it's not about that, it's actually personal, it's about uZoleka. On the other side Bafethu, it seems as if a lot of people are cornering Lazarus laphana ePalette because Sydney was there. So Sydney also approached to Lazarus and told Lazarus ukuthi he heard by a little bird ukuthi Mawethu slept with Zoleka, and he knows for sure because he was manipulative. He knows for sure that Lazarus isn't taking it well, you understand. On the other side Bafethu, usisi kaThumeka is inviting uZoleka to the dinner for celebrating achievement kaThumeka because Thumeka actually passed her exams, I guess. So there's going to be like a celebration happening. So Zoleka did not seem comfortable in actually like taking the request, but usisi kaThumeka had to actually convince Zoleka because uZoleka and Thumeka are sisters. So it would be wrong if uZoleka doesn't come, but it would be okay if she doesn't come because they haven't been like seeing eye to eye, you understand, and there's been like drama tension within Zoleka and the Mabandlas, especially uZoleka and Nohlathi regarding Wavumile. So hence Zoleka doesn't want to go, but Lazarus returns to the office, you understand, and when he returns to the office, it is because Sydney had approached him. So when Sydney approached him, he did not actually realize who Sydney is working with Lilian Gumede, but they're still discussing this thing of Umawethu. So basically, Lazarus wants Zoleka to fire Umawethu. And like Lazarus is looking out for his dignity. How can a CEO sleep with her employee? We understand that. And uZoleka keeps on saying the same thing. She never judged Lazarus, you understand, regarding his ex-wives, regarding him having to lie to his parents, regarding Bavumile, also regarding Lilian, you understand, even the recent incident that happened. And I'm afraid Qhawe was actually listening because Lazarus he is proud having Qhawe as his daughter, you understand, but at the same time he can't take it to Mawethu slept with two different people who are in the same family, which is mother and daughter. Apparently Qhawe slept with Zoleka first and then obviously broke Qhawe's virginity when they were in a relationship. So manje Lazarus is scared for his dignity. How can uZoleka sleep with her employee? So Lazarus told uZoleka no, the only thing that can actually happen right now is to fire Umawethu. And uZoleka has to make up a story. Whichever story that she makes, he doesn't care. But a story has to be made with Umawethu as the actual portion. Which made uZoleka call Mawethu to the office and tell Mawethu she has something to tell him. And Umawethu has to become about the situation. You understand? So apparently uZoleka wants to tell Qhawe ukuthi Lazarus wants to fire him. We understand that, but he has to keep calm. Let me know what you think is going to happen next by in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.